guys, it's me Nathan. So that's
When you
that.
say you vlog it and then post it, not just save on your phone.
Hi, my name
Nobody can see it if you did not post it.
Okay, Dad. That's Daddy. That's Sophie.
Hi.
So, for today's video, we're gonna prepare all of the things needed in hiking. Oh, what's that? New boots. That fits to me, yeah. I already tried that. Wait, I'll look for my Adidas bag. Adidas. I'll tell my mom where's my Adidas bag. I'm not sure. So. Mom! Where's my Adidas? Adidas bag.
Ay, it's alcohol, don't put it in your eyes. Ka talaga.
Mom, where's my bag?
You're Barbie. You're Lubot.
Yes!
Hey, I'll fix your panty. Oh, it's loose. Hey, it's loose. Oh, come here. I'll fix your panty. I'll fix it.
Mom!
Yeah, it's loose. You need to.
Mama!
Like so. See? I'm sorry po. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, my mom's looking for it.
Loose?
I'll not show my mom when she's very beautiful. She's not yet.
Don't show your look. Not like that.
Adidas.
Oh, look. Oh, it's not.
Ah, dito pala. Dito ang Adidas.
Yeah, it's not just so loose. Oh, just like this. naman.
Yan.
Oh, yeah, I like that na.
Oh, yan.
Yeah. Because if you lose it, you're gonna be naked na po. Remove this.
Ah, come here.
Oh, not now. It's for tomorrow now.
Oh, no! Kuya, what's your dog? I'm just, that's Sophie. Sophie, say hello. Hi, I'm angry because Kuya do like this. I did not do
It was an accident.
I just do like this, not doing like this kalat-kalat. Oh, ka man. What's wrong with her? Karin, Mom,
Can you use the shorts or this one?
Put it here po. Oh.
Mom. You help me.
Okay, help na. Your sister.
Yes, wait, Kuya's preparing things for going to the mountain.
Hey, don't tell Sophie.
Mom, where's my Ah, dito. So, I'll just use it. Dad, here. Sorry. Dad, dito pala ang bag. Dad, dito. Dito ang bag.
Ito do not very long video.
Okay, bye guys. It's 3 minutes and 5.